Have you ever noticed how yawning spreads faster than any trend on social media? You're sitting quietly when someone nearby yawns. A moment later, another person does the same. And suddenly you're yawning too. But yawning isn't just about being tired. It's one of the most fascinating functions of the human body, and it's highly contagious. Yawning is universal. When you yawn, your mouth opens wide, your jaw stretches, you inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Inside your body, many processes activate. Your lungs fill with air, your heart rate slightly increases, and blood circulation becomes more active. Most importantly, yawning is controlled by the brain, not the lungs. But we also yawn when we're preparing for something important. Students before exams and athletes before competitions yawn often. In these moments, yawning signals that the brain is entering a state of readiness. Babies yawn before they speak. Animals yawn too. Dogs. Cats. Birds. Even fish. One popular explanation is the brain cooling theory. Yawning helps cool it down, like pressing a reset button for the brain. This happens because of mirror neurons, special brain cells that automatically copy the actions of others. People who are emotionally closer are more likely to catch each other's yawns. Yawning happens when you feel stressed. It happens when you wake up, or when you're about to fall asleep. It's simply your body communicating with you. Your jaw stretches. Your heart rate slightly increases. Blood circulation becomes more active. Yawning is an ancient evolutionary mechanism. It connects us socially through empathy. Yawning helps reboot and cool the brain. Frequent yawning may indicate lack of sleep, dehydration, or stress. Most of the time, it's completely normal. The next time you yawn, remember, your brain is getting ready for action.